So people have been asking me how I am doing with my software business, which is the new program that I have been promoting. So take a look. All right, you guys, so this is my email, as you can see right here. And at the very top, it says 12:11 a.m. That was this morning. And then it goes down to March 21st, March 20th. You can see these are all the opt-ins of people that have opted in for information about my software business, which is the program that I am talking about. So of course you have to put in the work, you have to put your links and information out there, but I have been doing that, and you'll be able to see how much interest I am getting. This is just the beginning here. And as I scroll down, you're going to see even more going past. So now I'm going into March 17th. Keep going on March 17th. You can tell what days I put it out there, March 16th. And keep going, tons of interest for my software business because this program is extremely valuable. There is a lot to offer here. So if you have any questions about my software business and the automation tools that this automated library, this software library offers, there will be a link below this video. There will also be contact information. If you want to contact me, feel free to reach out in my DMs for Facebook, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions.